Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Volvo just shook the auto world by cutting 3,000 jobs, and this isn't just about streamlining. The truth? It's a perfect storm of rising costs, falling demand, and tariff threats coming straight from Washington. Carhelpout.com, your local mobile mechanic service. Near me here, a simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location. So what's happening behind the scenes at the iconic Swedish brand now owned by Geely? Let's break it down. Out of nearly 43,000 Volvo employees worldwide, 3,000 are out. That's about 1,200 in Sweden, 1,000 consultants, mostly Swedish too, and the rest scattered across the globe. But here's the kicker. These aren't assembly line layoffs. Volvo's trimming white-collar staff, research, HR, finance, cleaning house at every level. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why auto car repair loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. Why now? According to Volvo's CEO, the industry's in a rough patch. Steel and raw material prices are up. Europe's car market is shrinking. And then there's Trump's 25% tariff on imported cars and steel.
Breaking news to start us off here at 5 o'clock. It appears the tariffs on European goods are now being delayed. I'm Jory Rand. President Trump saying on Truth Social his 50% tariff on goods from the European Union will now be delayed for another month from June 1st until July 9th to buy time for negotiations. This comes after the president spoke on the phone with Ursula von der Leyen, the president of the European Commission, who says she wants to get down to serious negotiations as soon as possible. President Trump's tariffs sent the worldwide market into chaos, costing investors trillions, but markets have since stabilized.
That's a gut punch for Volvo, especially since their affordable EX30 EV is built in Belgium and relies on U.S. exports. And it gets messier. Trump just threatened to double tariffs on all EU imports to 50% starting June 1st. After pushback, that deadline moved to July 9th. A short break, but the threat looms. Volvo's warning, if these tariffs hit, exporting affordable cars to America could be off the table. The reality, Volvo's cutting 15% of its office workforce, targeting $1.9 billion in savings, and spending another $160 million just to restructure. No department's safe, and most of the pain lands in Gothenburg, Sweden. But Volvo isn't alone. Every automaker is scrambling as political drama and trade wars shake up the industry. Volvo's paused its financial forecasts. Markets are too unpredictable. Costs are up, and nobody knows what's next. For workers and buyers, it means uncertainty, higher prices, fewer jobs, and delayed innovation. The X30 EV could be just the first domino to fall. Bottom line? This isn't just a Volvo problem. The whole auto industry is bracing for a wild ride. Buckle up. If you've got thoughts on where this is headed, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe because this story is just getting started. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.